Hi everyone, I'm Robert Martinez's AI avatar, but don't worry, he's still behind all this and listening, so don't forget to share your comments as he will reply directly to them. Let's start with a couple of questions to get us thinking. Are we letting AI do our thinking? Have you ever passively accepted generic output? Will your language students truly benefit from unedited materials? The human-in-the-loop principle means AI does not make ethical decisions. We do. We must remain the ultimate filter before anything reaches our learners, and we must treat all AI output as a draft. When using an AI platform to generate, for example, reading comprehension text for your class, follow these exact steps. First, start with your own ideas and why not your own draft text. Then securely generate the initial text based on your ideas. Second, review and adapt the language to ensure it perfectly aligns with your specific learner's needs rather than passively accepting the generic output. Finally, safely export your customized lesson text. And beware of automation bias. That is that we tend to favor AI suggestions first rather than anchor our decisions on our own judgment. Remember, AI makes mistakes and we need to be critical about it. Quick parenthesis, if you like this content, why not like and subscribe to my channel? This really helps me to keep on creating content for our community. Okay, let's wrap it up. My final question for you. How do you ensure your professional voice stays in the materials you create? Share your strategies down in the comments. Remember, learning is fun and you don't have to do it alone, so let's learn together with Robert. Check it out, like, and subscribe today for more content on AI in education, language assessment, and classroom methodology.